Hey guys, welcome back. I thought I'd just come on and do a quick shout out to Mako Motorsports for getting this dash mount for my car. I've got an event coming up this Saturday. It's currently Wednesday, and what they did was really awesome. They sent out basically a makeshift spare dash, unfinished, and are still finishing mine, having it painted and sanded and everything like that. But they sent me one just to get in my car for the weekend because I decided on Monday that I would do this event Saturday. So shout out to them. I'm going to do an unboxing and do an install of it. And yeah, let's do it. So this is the dash that they've sent. Now keep in mind, again, this isn't the finished product that they will do. Send some stickers. Sweet. So keep in mind that this is not the finished dash that they're going to be doing. I'll give you an update, obviously, when I get the proper finalized one. But again, just wanted to reiterate that they've been absolute legends to get my IC-7 display, which will sit in their recess. Right now, it's just sort of pushed up against like the factory dash, and it obviously it's going to fly around when I do my drifting. So let's unbox these. All right. So that's pretty much the dash. So you can see the IC-7 is going to sit nice and neat in that recess, and then that's going to sit in the car. He was just saying like how that he knocked this one up really quick on like the 3D printer, which looks awesome for just like absolutely knocking it out really quickly. Like you'd be happy almost with that even as a final product. And then it just mounts, of course, to the factory mounting hardware in the dash. So that's unreal. They sent a return label as well. So he said, basically, when I'm finished with the event, take this one out and even send it back to them. And then when my new one comes, it'll just swap it over, which is so good. Like the level of customer support on that, and it's Australian made, like super happy. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the IC-7 out, install the dash, and make sure it's all wired up. All right, so that is the IC-7 installed into the Mako dash surround. I love how super snug and tight it fits. I thought I'd just show you. So basically it uses mounting points on the back of the IC-7, and you just use the hardware that the dash comes with. Literally uses the factory bolt holes, and then that will slide into the dash. I am leaving these here just for now because I have to quickly when I come back from the event. I'm gonna have to find what wires, obviously do my blinkers and fuel gauge and a few other things, and then yeah, you've just got the IC-7 dash harness which goes to the ECU that plugs straight into the back. So we'll do that now. Alrighty, and the final result. So that is the dash in now, obviously in the cluster, or where the old cluster used to be. Don't mind this. This isn't the Mako Motorsports where there's this gap. There is a factory trim piece that goes in there to like hold this in. I did put it somewhere, and I put it somewhere where I went, I will not forget where that goes, and I have forgotten where I put it. So I'll find that. But essentially, so we start it up. And boom, there it is. So yeah, the dash is installed, which is awesome. So keen. It looks so good from like the driver's point of view. Obviously centers it nicely, and then that way I can keep an eye on everything for my drift event. So yeah, just a quick little video to show you the installation of the Mako Motorsports dash. Again, shout out to them guys. Go to their website if you ever want a dash for your car. They do multitudes on their website of cars and dashes and everything like that, and they also do customization, like if you want boost gauges and things like that as well. So this isn't a sponsored video or anything like that, just like I really appreciate them doing it me a solid. So I wanted to obviously get this in, show you guys, and then plug an Australian company that's also killing it. So thanks guys. The next video I think that I'll put up is maybe a walk around video and stuff of the car before and getting it ready for the event on the weekend, or maybe it'll just be at the event. So I've got a few little other things to do. I've got to fit some stock wheels, adjust the handbrake, and bleed the cooling system. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. 0, 1
get started.